NVIDIA released their latest GeForce 397.31 WHQL drivers yesterday. The new 397.31 drivers came game-ready for recently released titles BattleTech and Frostpunk, while also provided support for features like NVIDIA RTX and Vulkan 1.1. However, numerous GTX 1060 owners have reported on the official NVIDIA forums that they were unable to complete the installation of the 397.31 drivers. Users were prompted to restart their systems to complete the installation process, but once they have done so, they were presented with the exact screen over and over again, putting their systems into an endless restart loop. While NVIDIA is investigating the bug, GTX 1060 owners are encouraged to roll back to a previous version of the drivers as a stopgap solution. The workaround consists of rebooting the affected system in safe mode and running Display Driver Uninstaller (DDU) to completely remove the 397.31 drivers. Users can then proceed to install the previous 391.35 drivers normally.